The eye's design leads to one bit of a problem, in that when light enters the eye, it does not immediately strike the rods and cones which perceive the light. Instead, the light must pass through several layers of cells, the ganglion cells, the bipolar cells with other cells interspersed between, before reaching the rods and cones. And when it strikes them, it actually strikes the wrong end of the cell. It's the opposite end of the cell which actually perceives light. Once this light is perceived, these cells of the nervous system process this vision, but they do so in a way in which the information flows back towards the outside of the body. It flows back towards the source of the light and away from the brain. The final layer, the ganglion cells, then send their axons together where they form the optic nerve. The optic nerve then penetrates the retina, going through one more time so that the optic nerve can reach the brain. But where the optic nerve penetrates the retina, there can be no photoreceptors here, rods and cones. So therefore, the human visual field has a blind spot. There is an area of our visual field for each eye where we cannot perceive light because there are no photoreceptors there. The brain simply fills in what it thinks should be located in this area once it compares it to the surrounding visual field. But because the optic nerve must penetrate the retina, we do have a blind spot in our visual field.